Building your first PC from parts can be frustrating. But with our videos, it should be easy, even if you're a total noob. Now, at least that's the theory. To benchmark the quality of our teaching, we've assembled a dream team made up of the only people shorter than me at the company.
Oh my god.
Alameda and Maria. Ladies, have either of you built a computer before?
No, never.
That's a bit of a problem because you are going to be racing against me to see who can build a gaming rig the fastest.
Wait, what?
Did they not tell you?
No, they know nothing.
Oh, that's great.
Hey, but we don't know anything about this.
Don't worry, you guys are gonna be on a team against me, and you can watch any YouTube videos you want, as long as they're from LTT. And you guys are gonna get some lifelines. You'll get some extra help. I, on the other hand, will be given a more challenging build, but this looks the same, actually.
Oh, does it?
Hardline water cooling. Okay. Like this okay segue to our sponsor.
That's bad.
MSI. If you're MSIing a new motherboard, the MPG Z790 Carbon Wi-Fi 2 is a great option. With features like a pre-installed I/O shield and Wi-Fi 7 compatibility, there's no reason you shouldn't pick one up at the link below. No, that's a thumbs down. The link below.
Each team will be equipped with our wits, these tools including the gorgeous Retro Edition LTT screwdriver, lttstore.com, and 2 hours. At the end, our builds will be judged with penalties and bonuses depending on our speed and the quality of our work. Games Master David will explain all of that as we go. Maria, Alameda, feeling confident?
Yes, kind of. As long as we can see a video of someone.
Of you building a PC.
I'm just someone now.
Before we start, can we go lower? We're sort of short. On the short end of the stick.
Really? This seems like a pretty good height.
Really?
You know?
Can we?
Seems fine.
Linus, you're almost our height.
Okay, yeah, that's better.
Oh my god.
Oh, why is it going down?
Oh, it's still going down. Oh my God. Stop. What's going on?
Is this an okay height for you guys?
No.
You good? Come on, I never get to be the one making the short jokes.
3, 2, 1,
Oh
go!
my god. Okay. Where should we watch the video here?
Yeah. You can bring that laptop with you over here if you want.
Under normal circumstances in one of these competitions, I would fool around a little bit, but I have been burned time and time again doing that. So instead, I'm gonna get things going. Our builds today are based on our standard workstations for a few reasons. One, we already had multiples of these components kicking around the office, so that's convenient. Two, these parts were picked for easy assembly in the first place. And 3, it means that when we're done, we can just deploy these systems to our team. Convenient.
How would you rate your technical ability out of 10?
8? I don't know.
8?
Depends on where you be.
But I mean, yeah.
When it comes to sewing machines, yeah, I
Oh.
could be like a, 8, 10.
Do you think that computers and sewing machines have a lot in common?
No?
For our CPU, we've gone with the Core i5-13600K. It's got 14 cores, and it's just generally good bang for the buck. Also, unlike its roided out i9 cousins, it is pretty darn power efficient.
Mary, don't stop. You're gonna want to keep going.
I feel like we're gonna take forever.
Yeah. I mean, we chose the easiest gaming PC build video. And Linus said here it was so hard to screw it up. So hopefully we're good.
Am I allowed to help them?
Yeah, of course.
I mean, if you want to lose.
Yeah, are you guys into POV content?
Okay.
This one is really easy to follow along with.
Okay, perfect.
It's a little bit less modern, but this one's really good. And then if there's any details, you want to use How to Build a PC, the last guide you'll ever need. I should have just let them struggle, but I can't. I want a healthy competition, okay? For our SSD, we've gone with the Crucial P5 Plus. We like these because they're cheap. We don't put any data on our workstations. It's actually against company policy. Everything is supposed to be on a redundant and backed up server, but they have a 5-year warranty and have proven to be very reliable in our deployments.
I need to tell you guys about the lifelines you get. So you get a medium help, which is me coming there, and I'll be able to instruct you, but I can't touch anything for 2 minutes.
Okay.
And then you're also gonna get a video call with someone much more knowledgeable than me, Jordan. You'll get another 2 minutes with him.
You have to match it with the dot at the corner of the socket, but I don't see.
There's no dot?
Wait. Yeah? Yeah, it should be fine.
Right?
For our RAM, we've gone with some Trident Z5 DDR5 6000. CL30, not the tightest, but it's definitely sufficient for office use.
Okay, CPU installed, I think.
I gave Linus every possible out on hardline water cooling, making it simpler, but he assured me he could do this in 2 hours.
I don't know if there's any orientation. Can we ask David, maybe?
David,
David.
Do you want to use your lifeline?
we have 2 hours with you, right?
You have 2 minutes.
2
with
minutes.
me.
Okay, David, we need your help.
5 seconds.
Yeah.
There's an orientation for the RAM, like.
Yeah, so what I would do is I would line it up and see where the notch in the RAM lines up with the notch here. Linus, you want to use slots 2 and 4, right? Furthest away from the...
Am I being asked for tech tips right now?
That's what you do?
Here's a tech tip. Open up the box and find your manual.
Ah.
For our motherboards, we're using the Asus ProArt Z790 Creator, which is very much unnecessary overkill. We've talked about this on WAN Show, but Asus insisted on sending some sick gear over if it meant that they could watch Linus lose. What do you mean watch Linus lose? I'm not losing. It's got 10 gig Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6E, dual Thunderbolt 4 ports, PCIe Gen 5, and 4 M.2 slots.
Linus, do you think that the LTT video library is enough of an edge for a new time builder?
Oh, yeah. You can easily build a PC with the LTT video library. That's the purpose of how to build a PC, the last guide you'll ever need.
Okay.
My favorite video.
There you go. Okay, there you go. Okay.
Did they just get the RAM installed?
One of them.
They're moving a little faster than I'd like right now.
Even? Yeah, this one is high.
Oh no.
Sometimes it's good to rotate things around so you can see from another angle.
Hey,
That's for both.
hey.
That's an advice for both teams.
Uh-huh.
No, they didn't even hear you.
There you go.
I gotta respect
Okay, now it should be fine.
Yay!
Okay.
Woo! Let's go.
Okay.
Oh, I think you just need to rotate this.
Yeah.
So I tested.
I don't have nails. You have more nails than I do.
Okay, where am I?
Yay! Okay.
We're making progress.
You know, in some ways, I'd actually rather do custom water cooling than an AIO cooler these days because of all the hookups and everything and all the RGB and all that stuff. It can be such a nightmare.
I've noticed that you're not using the manual.
We use it for a little bit, but then we prefer to use, at least me, I prefer to use the video because I'm more visual.
Yeah, I win! Good teacher.
Down there?
Oh, that you will need that. I took it off the table because Linus isn't using that. He's got something way more complicated.
Oh, okay. So this is the cooling for the CPU.
I don't know.
You have to. What does it say?
Linus has to do all custom water cooling, so he's got EK parts, including a Velocity 2 water coolant block. We're going to be using the Noctua NH-U14S on this side, which is our standard one. Comes with a 140 mil fan. How does it make you feel when you watch your boss in a video?
Weird. I think this is the first LTT video. Like from the yeah, but it's good. I mean,
Watch what?
you explain really good. Like.
Thank you. Before I move on to water cooling my GPU, I want to address a comment that I've seen a lot of times, and it's that building computers is easy. It's just Legos for adults. Number one, it's Lego, not Legos. The plural is Lego. And number two, I just think that's really unfair. There's nothing wrong with the fact that they're taking their time, looking things up, going slow. And when you're experienced, you don't think about all that extra overhead that's involved in building a PC. I am functionally done. I've mounted my cooler, even though I haven't hooked all the water tubes up to it, and as soon as I put this GPU in and plug this in, I have finished building this PC. That doesn't mean that they're doing anything wrong.
I can't help. But that's not quite correct.
Oh no.
Oh, what's not correct?
You want all of them on the other one.
Yeah, oh, okay, on number 2. Let's make sure everything is in number 2. Yes. Okay. I think we fixed it.
No, but that's the wrong one.
I have no idea.
Hey, you should watch this guy.
Oh, so we need to rotate it.
So, if you guys are looking for Noctua cooler instructions, I believe you can look at the short we did recently, mounting one of their coolers from 15 years ago or whatever it was.
Would it be the same?
It's the exact same mounting mechanism all these years later.
It's been about 43 minutes since we started, and both teams are making progress.
Are we really making progress?
Oh, no way! Thank you, Corsair. It's pre-padded.
Dang it, Corsair, you're making it too easy.
We're missing something?
And you've already picked the right ones, but they should go on before.
What do you mean? Oh, this one's. There you go. And now should be able to.
Did you guys get the cooler removed yet? For this? Have you guys done this part yet?
No. What is that?
Oh, gee. Uh-oh.
Where's that from?
Are you
Well-
trying to troll with us? Okay, so we are good because the cooler will be facing this way. So Linus says like,
We're injecting.
I don't know why it's this funny, but hearing them talk about, oh, Linus says do this and to do that, I'm like standing here, I didn't say nothing.
oh my god, I'm scared.
Middle.
Okay. Okay.
Good.
Well, they don't have anything in the case yet.
We need your help. 2 minutes of your
2
help.
minutes of my time.
Yes.
We're supposed to put something here before putting this?
Yes.
Okay. So where's...
No, sorry. That goes directly into it. If you look into that, there's like, it'll screw right into it.
In this
Yes.
position, right?
Yeah, that's the only way it'll go right now.
Yeah.
And then we need to screw those.
I was given multiple options for a pump reservoir combo. This might be a little easier to mount.
But I'm not sure if there's enough room.
Or at least it would have been if anyone had checked to see if this case has any 140 millimeter fan mounts.
Hold on. Just still wait.
This is cool. EK includes a little sticker that's a hole guide now. So you can just take this, peel it, slap it onto wherever you want it, and you're good to go.
How is he going over there?
That's a thick radiator. I'm gonna have to get some.
How are you doing over here?
Oh, terrible.
That's good then.
I've never built a computer before either, so this is.
Huh.
I'm doing
But
good.
you
Thanks for
already
asking.
have like the motherboard and everything installed, and we oh my god. Okay. Hopefully the water cooling goes wrong, and then we have time for
Ouch! Wow! Maria somehow manages to make even trash talk sound pretty nice. I mean, hopefully you screw up everything and die.
Okay. That looks good. I think we have to connect this.
Also, do I have fans for my rad?
I thought the case came with fans.
Ah,
But it does not?
it does not. We're going on a field trip. Let's go. Oh, they restocked the snacks. Yes. Cheers. Got granola bars. Get some gamer fuel.
Yay.
How many fans in it? Hey, there we go. Classic LTT edition 120 mils.
Oh yeah, they're not. David, we did a cooler.
Yay! You're making progress.
Hey, where's the excitement for me making progress, David?
Way-hoo, yay!
Wow. I always thought you guys were nice. Ah, well that makes it a little easier.
Ooh, that's a demerit.
Hey, woo. My camera op knocked it. Glenn hit that. I didn't hit that.
Yeah, Glenn loses points. Yeah,
Fine.
Glenn, you lose points. Yeah.
No. It doesn't go in. I will need a different radiator. I'm giving the Games Master a demerit for sabotaging my build.
It fit in the case that I originally tested with, but we changed cases because ASUS was so generous to send this one.
Here. So we need to align that, and that's going to.
David.
Yeah, there you go.
one.
Perfect.
You never have to look far at Linus Media Group to find water cooling crap. Oh, that's an interesting little 120 millimeter. It's full.
Here, there's something missing.
Okay, yes, then we need Jordan. Hi, Jordan. How are you?
Good, how's it going there?
Oh,
We're struggling.
That looks pretty good. What else do you have to put in here?
we have the GPU and the power supply here.
It should be good to put in the motherboard, and then I would do probably the power supply next and get everything wired up, and then do the GPU last.
Okay. Bye, Jordan.
steal all of Linus's tools so we can't finish.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Okay.
Yeah.
Demerits, David. I'm gonna end this video with the longest time somehow.
Olamide. I found screws.
Okay.
This GPU doesn't fit in this case.
Are you kidding me? Oh, it doesn't look like it.
I don't need to close my side panel.
No,
There.
I won't judge you on that.
Okay.
Demerits for the Game Master.
No one needs to close their side panels.
one needs to close their second one.
Okay, grab the cables of the power supply.
We can cheat.
I mean, I guess I could just bend. I was planning to just use 90-degree fittings for all of my bends. It's a bit of a hack, but I think it still counts as hard line, especially when you're time constrained. But I could just bend them.
Echo?
Yes.
CPU, this one.
PCI.
Got all my fans lined up and I realized this was just a bare radiator. There's no mounting hardware.
It's not there?
No. Oh my god.
If it helps at all, I'm having a great time too.
Why do you choose to put the fans on top of the radiator?
Fans go on top of the radiator for easier maintenance down the line. Also, these are orange and I didn't want to see them in there.
This is the side of the power supply.
Okay.
I'm going to use the CPU fan header for the pump. It's far more important that your pump is running than that your fans are spinning, in that that'll kill your system a lot faster. Experienced that firsthand a little while ago.
They have the names here of the things we have to connect, so CPU should be somewhere around
Found it.
and then the other one is the
That's the
PCA.
ECS.
I don't see them.
We're missing things.
Yes, you have 45 seconds of my help.
Okay, where should we connect the PCIe and the CPU connectors?
PCIe is for the graphics card, but this graphics card won't use this. It'll have a specific 16-pin one.
I will attempt one freehand bend. If this doesn't go flawlessly, then I will not attempt another and I'm just going to go for fittings. Man, this thing is not very hot.
Don't push it. Okay. Ah, David, this is not fitting here.
I'll try, and if I can't do it, then. You're not wrong.
Okay.
Okay.
Here we go. Yeah, kind of ugly, but it'll do.
Right now the problem is this is too thick to fit under here. And so in order to get this inside, normally you could kind of like jiggle it in, kind of make it work, but I actually don't think we have enough clearance to make that work. Linus, we might need your help. I might not be good enough for this.
What do you need?
Can you make this fit? Watch the master in action.
I thought so.
Oh wow.
I thought so. Thank you.
Whoa, 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 what do you mean thank you?
I thought so.
You have to do it.
No.
Well, what? I'm gonna just hand them the W? They're almost done.
It's true, this is the last thing once you figure it out.
Yeah. Yay! Nice. High five. Nice. 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 Nice.
How's the water cooling going, Linus?
Extra demoralizing doing hardline tubing in a case where the thing isn't even gonna fit together when you're done.
It's just extra airflow.
Because I need so much airflow in my water-cooled computer.
Are you gonna keep bending or are you gonna fit it?
You know what? The bending was pretty fast, and I think it's gonna be faster for this one too.
How do you find the screwdriver while you're building the computer?
For the tiny screws here inside, like the stubby,
Yes.
perfect.
It's good. If I'm gonna lose, I might as well at least sell a few screwdrivers. Thanks, ladies.
It is that one, but flip it, yeah.
Yep.
I didn't help.
Man, love hardline tubing. I love my build taking triple the amount of time for all that performance benefit. You ready for a high-risk maneuver? If we're gonna fail, let's fail in an exciting and spectacular manner. Who needs a guide when you have a need? Holy, I think we got the angle.
How are you finding those little connectors?
I can't find a lot of things.
Like because they have names on the connectors, and we try to match those.
Panel right now.
The only thing that says panel here is this side, but I don't think that matches there. So Like the real question is if we need to use all of them or not.
Probably do.
But why it's not working?
5 more minutes.
No, 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 no.
I'm gonna use a little tiny piece of tubing as a bridge. Okay.
I think that was the right one, yeah. Okay. I don't know. Fingers crossed.
Who knows if it works or not?
We have good chances of winning this. What do you think?
I don't think so.
Look there. Okay, there's a red light. I don't know if that's working.
You're missing one very important cable.
Which important cable?
The one that connects the front power button.
Here we go, freehand 9D. Oh, that's my ugliest one yet.
It's on, right?
I mean, it's not, the fan is not on.
I think we're past the 2 hours, but neither team is finished. Do we go till someone finishes?
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna be first, let's go!
I'm just gonna help you at this point.
Thank you.
Let's plug in a monitor, see if we're getting display.
I'll need a monitor too. What do you think, Glenn? How's it look?
Candy.
Huh? Tastes like candy. Okay. Just gotta.
Please work. Please.
All right, okay, now we're cooking.
Let's give the CPU a reseat here, shall we? There's bent pins in my socket. At least 3.
What? But it worked. I didn't bend them on the way out.
And I can do a board swap in like 4 minutes if I have it.
I'll be back.
All right, let's go. Technically, they're not done yet. Okay, I can still win this.
I think the best learnable today is that PC building, it's a team exercise. Everybody works together. The curveball.
Okay, it's working. The GPU is working. It's working. Oh my god.
Hey, I posted too. I'll see you in Windows. They got to figure that out still.
Do we have a video for that?
I don't
or
know. Guess
should
you'll
we-
have to figure it out. Still got to get my GPU back in. Got to get my loop filled. They just got to get out of the BIOS.
That's lucky. It's actually the same BIOS.
We still got this. We still got this.
Nice. Okay.
Okay.
So what did you two do there? Like walk the camera through what you did.
Oh my god.
F10.
Hey. Woo!
Okay.
Everyone's fortune's turning around. This thing's coming together. You might need to hit numlock.
Let's go. What, you can't keep giving them hints. Come on, David.
Okay.
Hey, good job.
We made it.
Oh my god.
Yes, I am putting in cable ties right now. If you're not going to finish on time, you got to go for those bonus points.
Okay, 1 minute left. Actually, this time.
It was the
Okay, good.
Okay.
Presentation right, plating. Wait, shoot, did I reboot this? What? Oh, balls. Come on.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay!
What was our total time?
Just over 3 hours and 20 minutes. But I'm very impressed and proud of both teams.
Aw, thank you.
Thank you.
Do note, Mr. Judge, that my CPU and GPU temperatures are in the top right of the screen.
Wow. Okay, that's
Yeah, we don't know people can do that.
I have to say, the fact that you were able to hardline this computer, this is a good looking system.
Yeah, it is good looking.
So the front looks real good, and that's the most important part. But let's go take a look at the back. Oh, you don't even have the side panel on. It's so much cleaner. Yeah, that was okay. I'm a little bit disappointed by the lack of LTT cable ties.
Yeah, there is.
There's some on the front?
There's 2.
Okay, that's pretty nice.
We don't have that.
We need to win. Don't say that.
Yeah, I mean, it's not perfect, but for a rush job, this is a darn nice system, Linus. Unfortunately, due to technical difficulties, I had to step in and help. The first impression is it's not quite as clean. Cable management leaves a little bit to be desired. Though you had cable ties, I brought those specifically
They don't
over.
need cable management. They need cable management. I really had to struggle for that.
It's not as bad as Linus's because there's just not as many cables. But yeah, why is this going over?
That's what you did.
Wow.
Before we go any further, I realized we never even talked about this GPU. I talked about every other component, and then Asus sent over these GPUs because we needed matching GPUs for this. They're 4080s, they're super quiet, they have gigantic coolers on them, they're really fast. I actually have something that David missed. This computer, unfortunately, is a fire hazard, ladies. Your high voltage PCIe power connector is not in all the way. However, any points I might have taken off for that, if I was judging, which I'm not, I would have given back for using my trademarked little tie a pretzel in the CPU fan cable trick. I like it. I like it. Good job.
This is really hard. I
Hey,
think
you gotta give it to us.
I feel really bad doing this, but I think I am going to award the victory to Linus. This is your
What? All by myself.
this beautiful T-shirt.
Wow, did you make this shirt all by yourself? You know what? I would have given it to them.
Really?
To be perfectly honest with
Okay.
you, yeah. We don't know if I broke the motherboard.
That's true.
There's also a lot of water in my computer. You didn't look that closely.
Okay, put it on.
We should put it on together? What do you think?
How do you put it?
You guys are doing great. Yeah.
This is so wrong.
Yeah. Yeah, now smile. Oh, wait.
Oh God! Oh my
Nope,
goodness!
doesn't work.
This is so wrong.
All right, well, this devolved extremely quickly. You guys did great. GG.
There you go.
And GG to our sponsor.
Squarespace. Are you looking to create a website but lack the technical expertise? Squarespace is here to help. Their all-in-one platform simplifies the process of getting your website up and running quickly. With Squarespace, you can grow your business online through their marketing features, which include SEO support, email campaigns, and social tools. They offer a wide selection of award-winning mobile-optimized templates, and their commerce platform provides everything you need from merchandising to checkout. You can also access analytic insights to optimize your website's performance and identify areas that need improvement. If you require assistance, Squarespace has help guides and a 24/7 support team. So visit squarespace.com/LTT to receive 10% off your first purchase.
If you guys enjoyed this video, you know what? Why not check out Sarah's first build? Was that a short circuit? LTT? I can't remember. Really good video though.